Good morning my dear students. So in last video we already learnt about matrix inversion method and some problems related on matrix inversion method, right? So today we will discuss remaining problems. In that first one, so solve the equation 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equal to 4. So second equation 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equal to 1. So third equation 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equal to 2. So we have to find the value of x, y and z by using this equation. So this equation can be written as, so agar ee equation hege baribodu nodkolli. So solution, so given equation can be written as, so 2 into first equation, so 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y plus 10 into 1 divided by z is equal to 4. First equation. In the same way, second equation can be written as, so 4 into 1 by x plus or minus, so minus 6 into 1 by y plus 5 into 1 by z is equal to 1. So in the same way, last equation can be written as, so 6 into 1 by x plus 9 into 1 by y plus minus, so 20 into 1 divided by z is equal to 2. So this equation is of the form, so ax plus by plus c, so linear equation. So above equation can be written as, the above equation is of the form, ax is equal to b. The above equation is of the form ax is equal to b, where a is nothing but coefficient of x, y, z and x is nothing but variables. So three variables x, y, z. Next b is nothing but constant term. So where so a is equal to matrix A. So you can see here 2, so 3, 10. So from first equation 2, 3, 10. Second equation 4 minus 6, 5. So third equation 6, 9 minus 20. Then x value. So x is equal to, x is nothing but variable. You can see here 1 by x. So x is equal to 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, right? And capital B value. So B is nothing but constant terms. So 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. So we have to find the value of x, y, z by using matrix inversion method. You know that matrix inversion method formula, x is equal to A inverse into B. So before that we have to find A inverse value. You already know that A inverse formula. So 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint A. So first we have to find determinant of A value. So consider determinant of A, which is equal to determinant of, so given matrix. So 2, 3, 10. Next 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. So plus minus plus, right? So plus 2 into eliminating first row, first column, minus into minus plus, 20 into 6, 120, minus 9 into 5, 9 5s are 45. So minus 3, eliminating first row, second column, minus 24s are 80, minus 6 5s are 30, plus 10 into eliminating first row, third column, 9 4s are 36, minus into minus plus 6 into 6, 36. So which is equal to 2 times up. So 180 minus 45. So how much? 180 minus 45, 75, right? 75 is 75 minus 3 into minus 80 minus 30 minus 110 plus 10 into 36 plus 36, 72. 72. So 75 into 2, so 150 minus into minus plus 330 plus 720. So total, so 0 0 0, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry 7 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12. So 1200. This is the value of determinant of A. So 1200 is equal to 0 or not equal to 0? So not equal to 0. Clearly we can say that, therefore A inverse exists and X is equal to A inverse into B. So here the equation has unique solution. Okay. So next we have to find adjoint A, because first we have to find A inverse value. So first we have to find cofactor of A, cofactors. Okay, write first. Okay, next cofactors. So cofactor na ek find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, given matrix ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, cofactor na find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So matrix A ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. So ಏನಿದೆ 2 3 10 4 minus 6 5 6 9 minus 20. So plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So cofactors. So first cofactor of A11 is nothing but C11 sin ಏನಿದೆ plus A11 which is equal to plus of eliminating first row first column, minus into minus plus. So 26 are 120, 120 minus 45, so which is equal to 75. So next cofactor of C12. So sin ಏನಿದೆ minus A12 eliminating first row second column. So 4 into minus 20 minus of minus 80 minus 30. So which is equal to minus 110, which is equal to 110, right? So next C13. So see here C13 value. So sin nodi plus A13 plus of eliminating first row third column, 9 4s are 36 minus into minus plus 36, which is equal to 72, right? Next C21 sin minus eliminating second row first column. So minus 60 minus 90, which is equal to minus of minus 150. So minus into minus plus 150. So next C22. So see here C22 value, sin nodi plus Eliminating second row, second column. So 2 into minus 20 minus 40 minus 60. So which is equal to minus 100. Right? So next C23. So C23 value sign nodi minus, eliminating second row, third column. 9 2s are 18 minus 6 3s are 18. So 18 minus 18 which is equal to 0. Next C31. So C31 value, C31 eliminating. So first sign A31. So here you write C22, again so A22, A23. Okay, minus plus. Okay, plus of A31. A31 sign nodi plus, eliminating first column, eliminating first column, third row, first column. So 5 3s are 15 minus into minus plus 60, which is equal to 75. So next C32. So C32 value, C32. So C32 sign minus of A32 minus of, eliminating third row, second column. So 5 2s are 10 minus 5 2s are 10 minus 4 into 10 40, which is equal to plus 30, right? Plus 30. C33. So C33 sign plus A33 plus of, eliminating third row, first, eliminating third row, third column. So minus 12 minus 12, which is equal to minus 24. So therefore cofactor of A, cofactors of A is equal to, so first one 75, next 110, 72, next 150 minus 100, 0. So 75, 30 minus 24. So next we have to find adjoint A. So adjoint A is nothing but, so transpose of cofactor. So 75, 110, 72, 150 minus 100, 0. So 75, 30 minus 24. Okay, write first. Okay, next we have to find. So by using formula, so A inverse is equal to, we know that A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint A. So which is equal to, so determinant of A value 1200 into adjoint A. So adjoint A 75, 150, 75, next 110 minus 100, 30, 72, 0 minus 24. So we already know that A inverse value. So next we have to find x, y, z values. So we know that formula x is equal to, we know that x is equal to A inverse into B. So x value, we already know that x value 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z is equal to A inverse value 1 divided by 1200 into matrix. So 75, 150, 75, 110 minus 100, 30. So 72, 0 minus 24 into matrix B. So matrix B is nothing but constant values. So matrix B ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 2. So 4 1 2. Okay. So first multiply ಮಾಡಿ 1 divided by 1200. So by using matrix multiplication, first row first column, 75 into 4. So 20, 2 7 4s are 28 plus 2 300. So next plus 150 into 1 150 plus 150. Okay. So next 110 into 4. So start है. So 0 440, right? So minus 100 plus 60, right? Next 72 into 4. So 8 7 4s are 28. So minus plus 0 minus 48. Okay. So which is equal to 1 divided by 1200. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 150 150 300 300 plus 300 600, right? Next 440 plus 60 500 minus 4 500 minus 100 400. Next 288 48, how much? So which is equal to 240. So 8 minus 8 0 240. So ಈಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ 1200 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So finally we get, so 1/2 1/3 1/5. So ನೋಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 1/2 1/3 1/5. This is the value of 1/x 1/y 1/z. But we have to find x y z value. But we have to find x y z values, right? So clearly we can say that, so 1/x is equal to 1/2, 1/y is equal to 1/3 and 1/z is equal to 1/5. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. Okay, clear? Write first. Okay, next problem. Next problem. Next problem. Okay, see here, next one. So Gaurav purchases 3 pens, 2 bags, 1 instrument box and pays rupees 41. From the same shop, Dheeraj purchases 2 pen, 1 bag and 2 instrument box and pays rupees 29. While Ankur purchases 2 pens, 2 bags and 2 instrument boxes and pay rupees 44. Translate the problem into system of equation. So solve the system of equation by matrix method and hence find the cost of 1 pen, 1 bag, 1 instrument box. So we have to find the value of 1 pen, 1 bag and 1 instrument box. So before that we have to write the given data in terms of linear equation. So here we don't know the value of 1 pen, 1 bag, 1 instrument. So let it be x, y, z. Okay. Solution. So solution, let price of 1 pen, let the price of 1 pen, so rupees x, because we don't know, that's why I took it as rupees x. Next, let so price of 1 pen. So next, let the price of 1 bag, so take it as rupees y. So we don't know. So next one, let the price of instrument box, let the price of instrument box, so rupees z. Clear? So let the price of 1 pen, we don't know, so take it as rupees x. So let the price of 1 bag, rupees y, let the price of instrument box, rupees z. So here first one, Gaurav purchases 3 pen. So pen is nothing but x. So given data can be written in terms of linear equation. So 3 into x plus 2 into y plus z. So total amount. So total amount he pay rupees 41. So this is the first equation, right? So 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 41. So in the same shop, Dheeraj purchases 2 pens, right? So 2x plus, so 1 bag, y plus or 1y, y plus 2 instrument box, z. So total amount 29 rupees. So 29. So last one, Ankur purchases 2 pens. So 2x plus 2 bags, 2y plus 2z. So which is equal to 44. See, given data in terms of linear equation. So we know that. So above equation is of the form, or above equation can be written as is of the form Ax is equal to B, where matrix A is nothing but coefficients. So 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1. Next 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. So next 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. So x is equal to, x is nothing but, so you can see here 3 variables, x, y, z. X, y, z, and b is nothing but constant terms. So 41, 29, 44. So next we have to find determinant A value. So determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to, so determinant of, so given matrix. So 3, 2, 1. Next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So plus, minus, plus. So 3 into, eliminating first row, first column, 1 into 2, 2, minus 4, minus 2 into 4, minus 4, plus 1 into 4, minus 2. So which is equal to, so 3 into minus 2, so here 2 into 0 plus 2. So minus 6 plus 2, which is equal to minus 4 not equal to 0. So clearly we can conclude that A inverse exists and X is equal to A inverse into B. The given equation is consistent and has unique solution, right? So A inverse exists, X is equal to A inverse into B. So next we have to find cofactors. So for that, matrix A. So matrix A ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So 3 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 2. So plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus, right? Plus minus plus. Okay. So next we have to find cofactor. So C11, so plus of A11, so which is equal to eliminating first row first column, 2 into 1 2 1 into 2 2, so 2 minus 4 which is equal to minus 2. C11 minus 2. So next C21 sin minus C12, so A12, so minus eliminating first row second column, 2 2s are 4, so 4 minus 4 which is equal to 0. Next C13, so plus of A13 plus of eliminating first row third column, so 2 minus 2 which is equal to, so nodi eliminating first row third column, 2 into 2 4, so 4 minus 2 2. So in the same way, next, so sin C21, so sin minus of A21 minus eliminating second row first column, 2 into 2 4 minus 2 which is equal to minus 2. So C22 plus of A22 plus eliminating second row second column, 3 2s are 6 minus 2 4. C23, so C23 value, so sin minus A23 minus of second row third column, 3 2s are 6 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 which is equal to minus 2. C31, so C31 value plus A31 plus of eliminating first row third column, 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3. C32 minus of A32, so minus eliminating third row second column, so 3 2s are 6 minus 2 minus 4. So C33 plus of A33 plus eliminating third row third column, 3 1s are 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, write first. Therefore, cofactor of A is equal to, so first element minus 2, 0, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 3, minus 4, minus 1. So you know that adjoint A is nothing but transpose of cofactor. So minus 2, 3, 0, 4, minus 4, 2, minus 2, minus 1. So if you know the value of adjoint A, easy to find A inverse value, because we know that A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint A. So determinant of A value, so determinant ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, so determinant value, so minus 4 into adjoint A value, so minus 2, 3, 0, 4, minus 4. So 2 minus 2 minus 1. So this is the value of A inverse. So but we have to find XYZ value. So we know that formula, X is equal to A inverse into B. So X is nothing but XYZ, 3 variables XYZ, A inverse value. So 1 divided by minus 4 into minus 2 minus 2, 3, 0, 4 minus 4. So 2 minus 2 minus 1. Again B value. So 41, 29, 44. Okay. So first multiplying. So 2 matrix. So first multiplying 2 matrix. So first multiplying 2 matrix. So 1. So X, Y, Z is equal to 1 divided by minus 4 into, so minus 2 into 41 minus 82. So minus 29 into 2. So 29 2s are 58 plus 44 into 3. So 132. 132. So 0 into 41, 0. 29 into 4. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 116. Right? Plus, so sorry, minus. So 44 into 4. 176. Right? So 4 into 4, 16. 1 carry. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So minus 176. So 41 into 2, 82 minus 29 into 2, 56. 29 into 2, 56. 29 into 2, 56. 56 or 58? 29 into 2, 58. 58. Okay, next. Minus 1 into 44. Minus 44. So 1 divided by minus 4. So you can see here minus 82 minus 58. So minus 82 minus 58. So 10. So 1995. So minus 140 minus 140 plus 132. So minus 8. Minus 8. Right? Second one, 176, 116, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76. So 56. Okay. So 58, 44. 58, 44. So 12, 1, 102. So minus 82. So 0, 20. Right? So dividing each term by minus 4, clearly we can get the XYZ value. So minus 8 by minus 4, 2. So 56 by minus 4 minus, so you can see here, so minus 56, minus minus cancel, 56 by 4, 15. So 4 1s are 4, 1, 4 5s are 15. So 4 5s are 20. So minus 20 or plus 20. So you can see here minus sign. So plus 82. So minus 20. So 4 5s are 20. So 255. This is the value of X, Y, Z. Right? Therefore, X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 15 and Z is equal to 5. So but we have to find price of 1 pen, 1 bag and 1 instrument. Therefore the price of 1 pen, which is equal to rupees 2 or 2 rupees, 2 rupees. So price of one bag, which is equal to 15 rupees. In the same way, price of one instrument, which is equal to 5 rupees. This is the value of one pen, one bag and one instrument. Okay, thank you.